So this short video is to demonstrate how you change the default application which is being used to send email from Edumate. Now, because we've changed from Outlook to Gmail as a school, at the moment the default application is set to Outlook, and so what we want to do is change that to Gmail. So the behavior that I'm showing you, you can see that when I come to my classes here in my diary in Edumate, below the wagon wheel for each class in my diary, there's an option to email the parents of that class or to email the students in that class. And when I click on that link, at the moment it wants to open up the email program that's on my computer. So that could be Outlook for you or Windows Mail for you. We want to change that behavior so that instead of opening up the email program, it's going to open Gmail to send that mail. So to do that, there's a couple of steps. The first thing that we need to do is change what's called the handler for those links. So if you come up here in Chrome to the little three dots, the hot dog menu up there, and then you simply click on that and come down to settings, you get lots and lots of settings, but Chrome is really good at search. And so what you do is you just search for handler, and you'll see that it tells you down here where the handler information is hidden. So we're going to go to site settings and then scroll down in our site settings, and there's handlers all highlighted. And so you just click on handlers, and you'll see at the moment that I've said that I want to allow sites to become the default handlers for particular protocols. And so now when I go to a website, you can see at the moment calendar.google.com is currently handling my calendar links. I want Gmail to become the handler for my emails. So first step, make sure this is turned on, allow sites to become handlers. Then you simply go to the site that you want to handle your mail. So if I go to gmail.com, you'll see that when Gmail loads, over here on the right hand side, it says this page wants to become your handler. It wants to install a service handler, and we want to allow that. So simply click on that link and just say allow. And so now Gmail is going to become the handler for our mail links. When you click allow, it'll also say, okay, well at the moment your default app for email is Mail. Now we don't want Mail to be the default app. We want Chrome, Google Chrome, the program that we're using to open Gmail, to become the handler. And so you simply click on Chrome there, close that little window, and you'll see that when I now go back to Edumate and I come to a class and I say I want to email that class, hopefully if I've done this correctly, then Gmail will open up, and it does, and you can see that it's loading Gmail and there's all my student addresses, and I'd then be able to send an email off to those students.